I'm Mark Ciudone, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. I want to welcome you to Screen Print Basics, brought to you by GSGU. In this series, we're going to go over the basics of screen printing for those of you thinking about starting out, or maybe those of you who are already printing and need a little refresher and some tips and tricks and techniques of getting that really good quality print. Before we get started, I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been in the screen printing industry 43 years now. Started as a young kid at home, printing t-shirts in my mom and dad's garage, then eventually moving out, opening up a shop, and then moving on to a larger print facility with automatic presses and a few dozen employees. Throughout my career as a business owner, screen printer, I moved into production management, complete company operations. I've run a lot of large screen print companies around the country, as well as worked for ink manufacturers, and now I find my home here at Graphic Solutions Group. My role here comprises of doing a lot of research and development, product testing, as well as I teach dozens of classes throughout the year. I do a lot of training here in our facility, in our other GSG locations, as well as customers, shops, and print facilities. What I would like for all of you to gain out of this course is to become better printers, have a better understanding for screen printing and producing some really good quality garments, and eventually, down the road, move away from pulling that squeegee and build yourself up to where you're operating a machine like this. By joining us in this course, you're going to understand all the basic fundamentals of screen printing, and throughout the next few weeks, make yourself a much better screen printer than you are today.